Have you ever stopped to wonder where life actually came from? Everything you see around you, the world, living beings, even yourself, where did it all begin? Was life always this way, or was it somehow gifted to us? The truth is, life isn't just a mystery for humans. It's one of the greatest mysteries of the entire universe. Today, humanity has reached incredible heights through intelligence and innovation. But this progress didn't happen overnight. It is the result of billions of years of evolution. And that raises a powerful question. Did life arrive on Earth from somewhere else in the universe? Or did it begin right here on this planet? And if it began here, how did something so complex come into existence? There are countless questions like these, and many hidden mysteries connected to them. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. Life exists everywhere on Earth. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life thrives in every corner of the planet. Among all living beings, humans are the most intelligent, and that's clear when you realize that while many creatures still struggle daily just to find food, humans are dreaming about living on Mars. Scientists believe that life on Earth began as a rare event around 4 billion years ago. But how did life evolve so rapidly after that? To understand this, we must go back in time to a period when Earth was nothing like it is today. Around 4 billion years ago, Earth was a fiery ball of molten lava. The surface was extremely hot, surrounded by toxic gases and clouds of dust. Looking at that hostile environment, it would have been impossible to imagine that life would intellectually exist here. Yet somehow, life began. Even today, scientists don't have a definite answer about where life originally came from. Some believe life arrived from space, carried by asteroids traveling through the galaxy. Others believe life formed naturally on Earth when water and chemicals combined under the right conditions. According to leading theories, life began in Earth's oceans as a single-celled organism. This single cell became the ancestor of all life on Earth. Inside that cell was DNA, coded information that could be passed on. For nearly 500 million years, life remained single-celled. Then, about 3.5 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. Cells began copying themselves. This ability to replicate marked the true beginning of evolution. Cells started carrying new genetic information. If this hadn't happened, life would never have progressed. For nearly 2 billion years, cells continued evolving, passing improved genetic information to new generations. Eventually, cells began merging together, combining genetic data and forming more complex organisms. Mutations followed, leading to multicellular life. Over time, life in the oceans became more diverse. One of these early creatures, small, blind, worm-like animals, would become our distant ancestors. They didn't need eyes because light wasn't important to them, yet. But survival demanded change. Over millions of years, these organisms developed light-sensitive cells, the earliest form of vision. For the first time, they could see the world. Soon after, a small brain formed behind the eyes to process information. This marked another major step in evolution. Eventually, these creatures evolved into fish-like forms. As predators emerged, survival became harder. To protect themselves, some species developed tougher skin. Others adapted to living in shallow waters where oxygen was limited. And then, about 375 million years ago, something revolutionary happened. Life moved from water to land. Creatures began breathing air. Lungs developed. They could survive both in water and on land. By 365 million years ago, life had fully entered a new world, land. Food was abundant, oxygen was plentiful, but the sun was harsh, causing skin to thicken. Brains continued to grow, storing information about this new environment. Competition increased, forcing further adaptations. But nature had other plans. Around 250 million years ago, massive volcanic eruptions released enormous amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Global temperatures skyrocketed, plants died, and nearly 95% of all life on Earth went extinct. Only a small fraction survived, including our ancestors. and the ancestors of dinosaurs. As the planet recovered, dinosaurs rose to dominate the Earth. They evolved faster, grew larger, and became extremely powerful. To survive, our ancestors had to shrink. They became small, rodent-like creatures, hiding underground. Fur developed to protect against cold. Heightened senses helped them react quickly to danger. Ironically, dinosaurs played a major role in shaping human intelligence. Survival required fast thinking, sharper senses, and better decision-making. Eventually, mammals began giving birth to live young instead of laying eggs. Milk glands evolved, allowing mothers to nourish their babies. This was a massive evolutionary breakthrough. Then, 65 million years ago, a giant asteroid struck Earth. Dust blocked sunlight, volcanoes erupted, temperatures soared. Dinosaurs were wiped out. Small creatures survived, including our ancestors. As the giants were gone, evolution accelerated. Forests returned. Fruit became a major food source. Our ancestors adapted to life in trees, developing longer arms and better grip. But climate changes forced them back to the ground. Around 4.4 million years ago, they began walking upright. Hands became free to gather food. Brains slowly expanded. Walking on two legs came with challenges, especially childbirth. Human babies were born underdeveloped, requiring years of care. This dependency led to stronger social bonds and higher intelligence. By 2.3 million years ago, humans began making stone tools. By 1.8 million years ago, humans became hunters. Then came fire. Fire changed everything. It provided warmth, protection, and cooked food, which required less energy to digest. That extra energy fueled brain growth. Communication followed. Vocal cords evolved. Language began. From a single cell to the most intelligent species on Earth, this journey took 4 billion years. Humans learned agriculture, domesticated animals, built civilizations, invented technology, reached the moon, and now dream of Mars. But one question remains. How did Earth become capable of supporting life in the first place? If you want to explore that mystery, let us know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like